Adding up the fun way. Explore addition with number lines and grids. Hello, learners! Welcome back to our video series on English language learning. Today, we'll dive into an exciting aspect of numbers, addition with larger numbers. And to make it even more interesting, we'll be using a number line and a grid. These visual tools not only help in understanding addition but also make the process more engaging. First things first, let's understand what a number line is. A number line is a horizontal or vertical line that represents numbers as points along its length. The numbers are usually marked at equal intervals. It starts from 0 and can extend to any number on either side. It's a fantastic tool to help us understand the concepts of numbers and arithmetic operations. Now that we know what a number line is, let's see how it can help us in addition. When we're adding two numbers, we start at the point representing the first number, then move forward as many steps as the second number. For example, to add 3 plus 4, we start at point 3 and move 4 steps forward, landing on 7. That's our answer. Great, we've mastered addition with a number line. Now, let's understand a grid. A grid is a pattern of intersecting horizontal and vertical lines forming squares. Just like a checkerboard or a chessboard, each square represents a number. When we talk about grids in maths, it usually refers to the multiplication table, but it can also be used for addition. How do we use a grid for addition? Let's say we are adding 4 and 3. We can make a grid with 4 squares in one row and 3 squares in another row. When we add these rows together, we get a total of 7 squares. Hence, 4 plus 3 equals 7. And there you go, learners. Today, we've explored the fascinating world of addition with larger numbers using a number line and a grid. These visual tools not only make addition fun but also easier to understand. Keep practicing and before you know it, you'll be a whiz at adding larger numbers. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons. Until then, keep learning and keep having fun with numbers.